Another model home in Savannah. This neighborhood is called Whitaker Park. That's cute. This is my style. It has like the cottage look to it. Wow, this is the model home.
Hey, how you doing? Build all of our homes with the smart home technology package.
Oh, this is the entry area.
Yes.
Wow.
Oh, high ceilings.
Yes, these are 9 foot.
So this is the first bedroom.
Right, that's a guest bedroom.
Yes.
That's nice.
This house is built with 3 bedrooms and 3 full baths.
Okay.
Nice space. It's like it's a good size. It's not. I like the windows. So it's bright.
You have your guest bathroom right here.
Right off the guest. That makes sense.
Right.
Godly. Look how tall the ceilings are. Just it's nice and simple. This the linen closet?
You have a linen and a coat. So that one is the coat.
Okay.
Oh. It's a good storage, so okay. I like the entry area. It don't got too much stuff at the top. I don't like
Yeah, you don't want it overdressed.
I like that. So this area here,
It's a flex space.
I guess office or dining, formal dining if we want to go that route. But this door,
It's a closet.
oh, closet. Okay.
So you can use it, anyhow you need it. You can have it staged as an office, and you can use it as a formal dining room if you desire that, or you can use it as an extra sitting room.
Mm.
Now, as you come off the garage, where we were would be the 2-car garage.
Okay. And then you got the stairs.
Well, that's the
that
bonus.
leads up to the bonus. You have a drop zone area right here. You
Okay.
have your washer,
Right.
Dry
you come in through
laundry.
the garage.
correct.
Oh, that's the garage.
Okay.
Correct.
Gotcha.
Oh, this has encouraged me to do laundry more, huh? It's so
I don't know
spacious.
if that is enough.
I hate doing laundry.
For me, that's
Yeah.
what I'm trying to say. I hate doing it.
Right.
Me too. I'm trying to just psych myself out, like, okay,
So everything is open. Excuse the kitchen counter. We're making some gifts for
okay.
some kids.
Oh, so this is the family gathering area.
Right. So everything is open. So your kitchen, your living room, your dining room is all together.
Like the TV on this one. I like that it's simple though. It's cozy.
Very
I really like this. Wow. No, it's not overwhelming. It's just enough space for us, and it's a
Right.
three.
Yes, 3-3. Mhm.
And the kitchen is beautiful. Wow. Okay. Wow, that's nice. Wow, this is really nice. I'm more of a kitchen person. Like, I cook a lot, so
Okay, you don't do laundry, but you cook.
I cook.
Gotcha. Got it.
Something gotta give.
Right, you gotta trade something, right?
Wow, this is nice. We need a dishwasher. We don't have one currently. Wow, this the pantry?
Yes, you can open it up.
That's deep.
Flip that light on in there. Right there.
Wow, this is nice. Okay, line everything up. It's practical. It's not like, you know what I mean? This is the perfect space for us. See, electric stove. See enough cabinets and stuff.
Yeah.
Let me see how, oh God, those, I can't reach that, but we'll do something. And it's like an open circular, see? Open floor
Yeah,
plan.
it's open.
I think I would like a table over there. A formal
Over
table.
there,
Mhm.
formal dining.
Like a big
Yeah.
country table.
Yeah, that is perfect for that.
And over here just be like a little,
Like a dinette. type
Right.
thing,
this is nice. Okay, let's save it for a master, right?
Yeah. Yes.
This is cozy. I like it. And the bathroom, oh, this is nice, Wayne. We don't have his and hers. I like this. Yeah. This is really nice. Oh, the shower is it's no tub, but that's okay. It's a tub in the other one.
Right.
That's in the closet. Oh my gosh. I like how they kept it very simple.
Yeah.
And all these angles, you know, cut off ceilings. I don't like all of that. It's just high ceilings. Wow, that's nice.
Alright.
And this is, of course, the potty. That's the potty.
Yes, the toilet.
Why they put doors?
You know, it
Well-
gives it a little bit of privacy.
Kind of like I get
Some
locked in.
people like that.
Oh, you do.
Mostly guys.
Just like we're having a business meeting.
Oh my goodness.
This is nice.
Read a book in there.
I like how the kitchen is open and it's still spacious but cozy.
Yeah.
And you know, these are the kind of chairs we got in our living room now.
Right.
And a sofa.
Oh,
It's funny, yeah.
similar.
Like it just look like it could just fit in here.
yeah.
Or we get like an L shape.
Yeah, you can get a sectional.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is really nice. Now that I know the bonus, that's optional
Yeah, it is optional. Oh, did it? Someone-
though. Yeah.
It's not-
Oh, this is.
This is the bonus.
Spacious.
And then you have a bathroom, a closet, and then you have the bedroom with a closet.
Wow, this is nice. Wow, these homes are so cute. It's so pretty. So they building one right there. You wanna drive around? It's. I love this part. This is so adorable. That's my favorite house right there. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like that either. This should just keep.
Oh, this is a cute neighborhood. So quiet. It's called Whitaker Park. You wanna go straight?
Let me see what's back.
Oh look! Oh my gosh! Can you make a left?
That's what I'm saying.
That's like another neighborhood. And here's some more houses.
Oh, I see what she's saying. They built
Oh,
here.
this is the area they're starting to
Yeah,
build
that's
in
what
2021.
Right.
New homes. All right. And some are sold already. All right, so we might as well just turn around. I love the trees.
These are freshly built.
Smell the wood.
You trying to get a feel of how these houses are too.
These are larger ones, I could tell. The Drayton Park. DR Horton Homes. There we go.